Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download any Discord server icon, quick and easy. Sometimes you might want a clean copy of Discord server's icon. For example, if you're referencing it for a project or design, one simple way to do this is by using browser's developer tools. Start by opening Discord in a web browser such as Chrome instead of the desktop app. Once the page loads, zoom in slightly if needed so the server icons are clearly visible. Next, open the browser menu, go to More Tools, and select Developer Tools. Inside the panel that appears, switch to the Network tab and filter the results by IMG or Image tab so only image files appear. After that, refresh the page. The browser will reload the assets used by Discord, including server icons. Scroll through the listed images until you spot the server icon you're looking for. Open it in a new tab and then right-click the image to save it to your device. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.